This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Elegant 3-level custom home in the highly sought-after Western Gailes neighborhood of the award-winning gated community of Ford's Colony. Floor plan features an updated first-level primary suite west/spa-like bath and library west/custom built-in cabinetry. A sizable formal living room leads to the updated kitchen west/chef's grade stainless steel appliances and newly refurbished cabinets. The living room features a gas fireplace and amazing trim details. Main level laundry. A large screen porch leads to the wooded and pond view. Upstairs, 3 additional bedrooms each feature their own ensuite bath west/a fantastic bonus/flex room that could easily be a 5th bedroom. Downstairs, the basement features another amazing living space west/additional custom wet bar, 2 offices and a roughed-in and conditioned bath. Amazing storage throughout, full house water treatment and softener, newer HVAC. Fantastic location, close to major highways, minutes from fine dining, shopping, entertainment and more. For more information, review the details below.